Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Brentwood, local, and long-distance movers near me. Are you planning a long-distance move? First, it is necessary to remember not to take too much stress. Long-distance moves are not easy, but it has to be done. 3 men in a truck can move your belongings from your old place to a new place, no matter how far it is. Our team of experts will safely take your belongings from your old home to your new home. We also offer storage facilities for the equipment and the event that you're not sure what you want to take with you. Our moving team will also pack, load, transport, unload, and unpack your belongings to your new destination in no time. You can rely on us for a stress-free move. You must be relieved thinking that your new place is just a few blocks away. You can easily pack your things and lift them to your new place. But the reality is that it is as tough as a long-distance move. You still have to pack all your belongings with care, and lifting them isn't easy. Hiring our local movers and relying on them for the whole moving process is a good thing. We will get you moved to your new place in just a few hours. We are also having experts in packing and lifting items. Your belongings will be handled with care. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brentwood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.